are you doing?
I'm recording. I want to get story time when he talks and tells the bits of the story.
Yes, Mummy's being silly. The big bad mouse is terribly strong. His scaly tail is terribly long.
Rumble?
No, that's the mouse. His eyes are like pools of terrible fire.
Sounder.
Yes. And his terrible whiskers are tougher than wire.
Tough.
Tough, yeah.
One snowy night while the Gruffalo snored, the Gruffalo's child was feeling poor. The Gruffalo's child was feeling brave, so she tiptoed out of the Gruffalo cave. You want to say tiptoe? You normally do. No itching.
Tiptoe.
Yeah. The snow fell fast and the wind blew wild. Into the wood went the Gruffalo's child. I'm more interested in my brother, Mom. Aha!
Oh.
A trail in the snow.
Tracer.
Whose is this trail and where does it go? A tail poked out of a log pile house. Could this be the tail of the big bad mouse?
No mouse.
Out slid the creature. His eyes were small, and he didn't have whiskers. No, none at all. You're not the mouse. Not I, said the snake. He's down by the lake, eating
Rubber cake.
Gruffalo cake. That's right.
Right.
The snow fell fast and the wind blew wild. I'm not scared, said the Gruffalo's child. That's fine. You don't have to be scared, the Gruffalo's child says. Aha! Oh-ho!
Oh.
Marks in the snow. Whose are these claw marks and where do they go? I think we're done.
All right. Well, we got a little bit of story time. Okay?
Safety.
Someone's just a performer. It's the light, yes. Ah, oh, careful, Will.
Light.
Light, yes.
Yeah.
Toaster. Light.
Yeah.
Light.
Are you going to dance?
No, he doesn't need to dance. Well, can you get back into bed, please?
Awesome, okay. Well, that's a great dance, sweetie. It's time for bed now. You can do the sleeping dance, which is when you lie down and close your eyes. Will? That's your Thomas Engineer's hat, yes. You're going to wear that to bed, are you? Will? Back into bed, please.
You can turn the camera on.